Green sea turtles, inhabitants of tropical and subtropical oceans, are recognized for their vibrant greenish skin and large, paddle-shaped flippers. As herbivores, they primarily feed on seagrasses and algae. They undertake incredible migrations, traveling thousands of miles between feeding and nesting grounds. Green sea turtles face threats from various predators, including sharks, crocodiles, and large predatory fish. Hatchlings are particularly vulnerable to predators, with birds such as seagulls posing a significant threat as they journey from the nest to the ocean.